Hey guys, this is Jody Franken. I'm an athletic trainer with Mosaic Sports Medicine, and today I want to talk to you about static stretching for lower extremities. Static stretching is always best to be done after a workout or after a training. There's lots of benefits to static stretching, including increased range of motion, increased flexibility, decreased stress and tension in the muscle after the workout, and then hopefully decrease your risk of injury down the road. Technique for static stretching is we want to take a muscle through its movement to the point where you feel a light stretch but no pain, okay? So today I want to show you just a few stretches of some major muscle groups of the lower extremity, just to give you some tips on things to try on your own. So the first thing we're going to do is just a single knee to chest stretch. So you're going to pull your knee to your chest, you're going to put the other leg flat, and with all these stretches in static, we want to hold them for about 15 to 30 seconds and do about 2 to 3 repetitions each, okay? So the knee to chest stretch will get the hips and the lower back, okay? Then we're going to let that down. Okay, we're going to bring the other leg up and we're going to do double knee to chest this time. So we're going to do both together. That's really good for the lower back and your glutes. Okay, again, holding this, okay, back down. And then we're going to go into a hamstring stretch, which is a really safe way to do it, laying on your back like this. So yes, clasp the leg, yep, leg straight, straighten the leg, and you're going to feel a nice stretch kind of in the back of the hamstring. So the next stretch we're going to talk about is a calf stretch. So if you can get up against the wall, support your body weight, put one foot back with the foot pointing straight ahead, keep the legs straight, and you'll feel a nice stretch in the calf. And then you're going to bring the foot forward, slide your foot forward just a little bit, keep your heel down, okay, bend the knee. And you're going to feel it a lot lower, kind of down around your Achilles tendon, which is a really good stretch to help prevent injuries in your Achilles area. Okay, and then we're going to go down to one knee, okay, upright, and then bring your right foot forward a little bit, and you're going to glide forward to feel a stretch kind of in the front of the hip flexor, kind of right in this area. That's kind of what we're after there. Okay, you would do that on both legs, and then we're going to stand back up and then turn this way. We're going to do the IT band stretch. So now we're going to cross one leg behind and let that hip kind of roll in toward the wall, and you'll feel a really good stretch through the outside of your hip, which is a really common area for soreness in the trochanter and the side of the hip area there.